A person asked me in the comments how to make StormBreaker. So this video is to make StormBreaker. For that you're going to need a glue which you have abundantly. I have lots of this, so I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use some hard glue, tape, scissors, a pole, and lots of cardboard. For making the handle, you're going to need like a washing machine and fridge cardboard, which comes in those packets, because those are triple layered and you can take out 2 layers and make this. So let's see how to make it. First you need to make the handle. It's a little tricky, so it takes about like 2 to 3 days. So to make the handle, you have to take a piece of cardboard here. I've given this big piece of cardboard, and you have to take one side, like I've taken here, out. You have to take fully this side out and fully the other side out too, because it's double-sided. You can use it lots. So let's see how to take it out.